Smoke detector at friend's house.
So I tried to record this one. It didn't work. This one's linked with another one. So yeah, let's try it. Allie, cover your ears.
The test is finished. Everything looks good.
Yeah, start again.
Ready. In the den. Press to test. This is only a test.
Yes, I know.
The alarm will sound.
Okay.
It's going to be loud.
Okay.
The test starts in 5 seconds.
Good.
Press to cancel.
I'm not canceling it.
Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
Just a moment, I'll go to the other one. Let's go. To the other one, to the other one. We'll link to this one, maybe?
Just a moment. Testing.
Yo, sorry. Wow, yo, Alright, all done.